Today we are going to be playing the second violin part of Shiver. I'm starting with the introduction. Let's take a peek at your music first. So the first thing that I see is that there's the letter P at the bottom. We're going to be playing quietly. The second thing I see in that first line is that all of our notes are on the D string, so I don't need to worry about switching strings. And let's take a look at those first two measures that you play. I see quarter notes. I see staccato dots, so my notes are going to be separated. And I see a rest at the beginning of each of those measures. So here's what those two measures, measures 3 and 4, sound like. Rest, rest. Let's try that together. So my bow's just scooting with lots of space in between. There's a little bite to my notes. I'm letting my hand sink in a little bit, but not too hard. 1, 2, ready, and go. Rest. Nice. And then in measures 5 and 6, we have some half notes. They're tremolo, I can tell by their 3 slashes, and they go E, F sharp, G, F sharp, F sharp on the D string, or 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Let's try it without the tremolo first, just to practice moving our fingers. Get your first finger ready, place your bow on the G string. 1, 2, ready, go. And now we're going to try it with the tremolo. We're going to put our bows at the tip and wiggle super fast. Get your ones ready, or your E's. 1, 2, ready, go. There's one more thing that we need to add to that. If you look at the bottom underneath the music, you'll see a V shape, a sideways V, which means that we are starting quiet, but we are going to get louder and louder and louder until that last note is forte, super loud. So we'll start with little tiny bows with light pressure, and then we'll give it a little bit more weight to our bow and a little bit bigger of bows as we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's put that whole first line together. At the very beginning, you have 2 measures of rest where the cellos play, and then 1 extra beat of rest. So I'll count that off for you, but let's get our first fingers ready and our bows on D to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, rest. Rest. And that's your introduction.